In this part of the course, I'm going to show you how you can buy your domain and where you can buy it from. One of them is Namecheap and the other one being GoDaddy. You can also get your domain from HostGator, but in this case I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can buy a domain from Namecheap. But I want you to note that I already have a domain that I'm going to use throughout the course, but I'm showing you how you can buy one of your own. So in order for you to buy a domain from Namecheap, you simply have to sign up. So I'm going to show you where you need to go to sign up. So to sign up, you just need to come and click on sign up. Then you will land on a page that looks like this. So the only thing that you have to do now is to fill in the details that are requested from you. So once you fill in the details and you sign up, you have an account with Namecheap, you just need to come and log in by coming over here. In my case, as I said earlier, I already have an account with Namecheap, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and then show you what you need to do in order for you to have your own domain. So I'll sign in. So Namecheap has sent a verification code to my account, so I just need to go ahead and grab that verification code. Copy that code and go back to Namecheap and then paste it in and then submit. Once you log in, the first thing that you have to do is you go on domains and then go to domain search. At this point, you already have a name in mind that you would like to purchase. So in my case, I'm going to try out Showstech and see. Showstech. So once you click search, the system is going to load and it's going to tell you whether the domain you're looking for is available or not. So let's see what Namecheap is going to tell us regarding the same domain we've selected. So Namecheap tells me this domain is available and I can purchase it and it can become my own. So once I'm ready to buy a domain, I just need to come and add to cart right here. Just click on it. So once I add it to cart, as you can see right here on top, I just need to come and view cart. Once you view cart, you will land on a page that looks like this. So as you can see on the left side, this is a domain that we would like to purchase. So I can go ahead and confirm the order. So once you land on this page after confirming your order, you just need to come and select your payment information. So you'll have payment by card, payment by PayPal, or payment by funds sitting on your Namecheap account. So provided you've selected your payment information and you've provided all the required information, the next thing that you have to do is just click on continue, and then the amount that will be deducted from your card will be indicated here. At this point, I assume that it's clear on how you can purchase a domain from Namecheap. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you can purchase a VPS that we're going to use throughout the entire course. Thank you for your patience and time. See you in the video that is coming up next.